The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, this video is about an incident that happened within the parish of St. Catherine, that's of the country of Jamaica. And with that, I am going to present some videos and pictures to you, my viewers and subscribers. So from here on in this video that I'm presenting to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the pictures and videos that you are about to see in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right. Now, there's reports out there about an incident where it is said that 2 police officers had been shot and killed and 2 police officers had been shot and injured. All right. It is said that this incident happened on the 12th of June 2020 at the place that is known as Horizon Park, that is of the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, according to reports, it is said that members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force got a tip about armed men within the area. It is said that the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force responded to the tip that they got and went to investigate, and upon arrival, they had been attacked by men with high-powered weapons. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, a police service motor vehicle had overturned. In some reports, it is said that the police motor vehicle had crashed. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, according to what had been said about that vehicle that had crashed, it is said that a team of police officers was responding to a call for assistance from the police officers who were under attack. And while they were doing so, the vehicle overturned. And again, in some reports, it is said that the vehicle crashed. Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that all that I just told you is according to what had been said in reports out there. And there might be more information about this whole incident that had happened. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you, and this video is going to show the person who is known as Anthony Anderson. And Anthony Anderson is the Commissioner of Police in the country of Jamaica, and he's explaining a little bit about the incident that had happened. All right, so here I'm going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Scene this morning at about 5 o'clock. We had information that there were a number of some gunmen with weapons, high-powered weapons here at the residence down here. And so the team responded. We did an operation. There was a firefight, and 4 of our members were shot, of which 2 have succumbed to their injuries. And my condolences goes out to the families of those officers. And of course, when these things happen as a force, it just brings us together. We will not step back from this challenge that we're having with criminals, gunmen, and people shooting our citizens and shooting us as well. So this is not going to cause us to step back. We will step forward and we'll continue to do what we do. I'm not going to give too much details about what happened here for a number of reasons. We're still in pursuit of some people, and we have some leads that we're following. As I say, it's a sad day for the force, a sad day for Jamaica when this happens. But you know, that's what we face, and that's why we're police officers.
M16 rifle was recovered.
Yes. Yes, an M16 rifle was recovered.
You know the perpetrators were hit? You know the perpetrators were hit? Signs of that?
I'll not speak about what is happening on the scene at the moment, and there are good reasons for that. We're processing it. You know, we're doing it jointly, you know, with us and Indicom, who are here also. So we're processing that scene, and the scene has given us a number of leads to follow, and so we shall.
Sir, for 4 officers to be shot, something terribly went wrong. Any indication at all as to any early signs as to what might have happened?
Yes, what went wrong is that we have people with high-powered weapons and rifles, criminals with them, in Jamaica, shooting at people. That's what went wrong.
The police were caught off guard.
They were not caught off guard. There's no indication of that. Whenever we go into an operation, we have to take due care of how we approach things. The people we confront have no such restrictions. So even if we get intelligence on something, we have to confirm things. We have to be very careful with how we approach things. There are always the risk of innocent people being harmed in our operations. So we have to approach things in a very sensible way. And that, of course, gives some advantage to the persons who are not so restricted.
Your intelligence is that where the police went is the residence?
This is a residential area.
With the abandoned building in residential areas. I was wondering specifically where they went, was the residence or an abandoned building?
It is a residence.
What's the state of the injured officer right now, sir?
He's in surgery, and one is being treated. So one is in surgery, one is being treated.
Okay, so news that the third that died is
No.
is